My name is David Beza, and I will be guiding you through this training video. So for positioning testing, this allows you to optimize the direction that you want to point your antenna. So our Cel-Fi antenna mounts have position dials. So you can also, use third-party mounts, but just keep in mind that we want to use, 45-degree increments for the best and optimal direction. So starting with position 1, this will scan all of the cellular frequencies for your market. So all of the available operators and all of the frequency bands that the modem supports will be scanned. So that actually took a capture of all these signals at position 1. So here I will rotate my antenna to a different azimuth, and we will perform another capture. So you want to test as many available positions as you can. 360 degree sweep is optimal if you're up against a wall or in a unique installation position for your antenna. Then you might be limited. So we'll go ahead and we'll scan a third position here, and then we will see which one has the best direction to point our antenna. So now I've got multiple direction scan. So you can see from the results there is a score and a band indicator. So the asterisk by the band shows the optimal band. You can also see how the other bands scored in their sweep. So this will help you dial in what direction to point your antenna, and then also which band has the best signal level and signal quality. So that is how the position tests. It's operator independent, so you can scan for each operator and optimize your antenna positioning. So that's one of the features. Also keep in mind that you don't want to put a SIM card in for this particular test. We want to be able to scan all of the operators available in your market and not be limited to a single operator. And we'll get into the benefits of using a SIM card later. Again, thank you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us.